What's up guys, AK with DCCTRAIN. In today's video I'll show you steps, because I tried to set cameras to like what exactly I'm doing, like to catch up, but it's very hard. Mostly I see myself just hands. So anyway, I hope you will see it clearly in my explanation. So now tools, tweezers like this with shrink tubing, because this protect paint, for example, of those handrails, the white handrails from the front. Okay, toothpicks, screwdriver like this, and another tweezers to grab stuff. Optional, but I'm just using they very nice to grab, especially those small pieces. Now, first of all, some kind of protection, but I'm using Kapton tape right here on that handrail. First of all, I'm taking those two pieces of the right there, those handrails sticking up front here in those holes. Sometimes it's very hard to remove from this sides on the bottom, but this time I was lucky. They didn't glue it very well. They like tight fit. Then you're taking rails out of those holes here, and those pieces, and here as well. Okay, and protecting them with because yeah, they're very sharp ends. Here we go. Just be careful. Usually I'm removing them. So far they good. Maybe I'll do it later. Yeah, usually I'm removing them after installation, everything putting together. Okay, next I'm taking screwdriver. Let's put this guy on the side. Screwdriver, and I'm unscrewing those coupler assembly here and up front. Okay, and then I'm cutting those electrical paths. Let's say I'm not sure I'm going to use them. My concern right now, I'm not seeing like hole here, so I need to figure out something. This is new to me, so they're holding it differently, but that's Alex's job to figure out something always. So that's old couplers assembly, but definitely keeping screws and everything. And those guys, I think so, I'm going to use them. Now the toughest part with with the toothpicks, you're going through, show you hard again. That's what I'm saying. If I'm doing on the camera, so through this path, you're going like outside of the hole here, outside, to push this part like that, because they're sitting on locks inside that. So see, that's what I'm saying. It's even you need four at the same time. Okay, hope it's in focus. So it looks a little bit weird with four toothpicks, and when you see it's kind of start moving, the toothpick will just fall off. That means it's the lock release. Okay, so then this is the tougher one because of ditch lights up front. Okay, ditch lights up front, and then that walkway, that full piece may be stuck to the top of the shelf. Now you need to very carefully separate them. So, and it's very hard to do. So just gently going back and forth. Sometimes I'm putting because yeah, also not in this model, it surprised me, there are locks like here, but not in this guy. So just like putting under. Finally, you have to release that shelf, separate it. Then you barely, just millimeter by millimeter, going back and forth, taking this out. And that's pretty much it. Very easy to say. If you never if you never did something like this, oh boy. Again, very tough stuff. So that will be all for today. I'll do definitely more videos of installation. That's not really showing any secrets. Seriously, guys. For the membership, if you want to join, I will do very short videos, detailed explanation, just like you're not watching entire like 20-30 minutes or longer video. Thanks again for supporting business. Have a good one. Bye bye.